Bull SpongeBob, and welcome to World of Warships with Bull SpongeBob. I found out a little secret. Y'all like your consumable, your smoke and your torpedoes to be unlimited? That's easy to do. It's a little. They're probably gonna fix it soon. So go over your settings. Go in your settings, right? And you go over your controls. And when you get in your controls, you get rickrolled. Ha 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 ha! April Fools, everybody. Alright, well, here's where I would have been playing the rest of the song, which is epic, however, that would be copyright restricted, and it would get this all blocked from YouTube and everything else. So, I'll just throw this in here, but you know what the April Fool's joke was. Ha ha ha. Like I said, get good. This is fun. See you later. Yeah. Hey, if you're still here, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let everybody know about me and get more subscribers in here. The more I get, the more videos I'll get out there. See ya.